Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to my channel. In this lecture we will discuss about how to write a very complex equation in LaTeX form. So for that, first of all, you open your PDF where you have a very complex equations. If you want to write this equation in LaTeX form, so first of all you should open Snap. Take a snapshot and save it. And then open Google, create a snap by image, took your image from here, and this is vision which you want to convert to the LaTeX form. This is Mathpix, and Mathpix can export your equation in different templates like text, equation, LaTeX, MTML, and which form you want to, you can get from here. So we are interested LaTeX math block with number. So copy from here and go there to your project in Overleaf, paste them and recompile it. So you get the equation. If you are interested to write another one, so you can. Firstly, you should take a snapshot of it, take a new one. We want to write this one in our LaTeX project, so save it, the name of a skill for example, and go to your snap ID and create a snap with your image, so you can get a equation with number, and come to your project and paste here. So this is a very easy way by which you can write every type of equation in your LaTeX form to convert an equation in the LaTeX coding. This is the LaTeX coding, and this is your equation in PDF, which is generated by Overleaf. Thank you so much for watching, and be here with us. I will share a lot of text to complete your projects.